Hello, 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 and welcome to Bemis Crafty Corner's 12 of 22 Journal Challenge. Every month I will draw a name out of this box. It'll be a theme. That theme will tell us what our journal is going to be that month. And if you wish to participate, and you can participate one month and not participate the next, and or maybe do it once and that's it, or however you want to do this. Participation is pretty easy. What you're going to make is a single signature journal, no less than 3 signature pages, no more than 7, measuring no smaller than 4 by 6 and no larger than 6 by 9. And then you're going to decorate it according to the theme that gets drawn for the month. So this is the first drawing that we're going to be doing. Once your journal is complete, you have until the 3rd day of the following month to submit a photograph to me, either through my Facebook group, Bemis Crafty Corner group, or through emailing it to me at bmascraftycorner@gmail.com. And then you will get an entry. At the end of the year, I will draw a prize, draw a name to get a prize. So let's pick out our January theme. All right, let's see. What are we doing in January? In January, we are doing a junk journal. So you're going to do a single signature junk journal and submit it by the 3rd of February to me. And just 3 or 4 pictures of it will be fantastic. This is going to be our January topic. I am going to write January on here so that we know that that is our January topic. All right, I cannot wait to see what you come up with. Until I see you again, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that red button for me and subscribe. Like me, ring my bell, share me with all your friends. Then your friends can be my friends, and my friends can be your friends, and our friends can get to be friends. And before you know it, we have a giant crafting community. Until I see you, stay safe. Bye-bye.